Hello students, in our previous video we have completed past continuous tense. Today I am going to start past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. So students, what is past perfect tense? Students, past perfect tense is used to indicate the action which had completed in the past before another action took place in the past. Before another action took place in the past, the action which had completed in the past. एक्शन जो कि कंप्लीट हो गया है पास्ट में, किससे पहले? किसी पास्ट के दूसरे एक्शन के स्टार्ट होने से पहले. ओके, सो वी कॉल दैट एक्शन पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, मेन वर्ब, हेल्पिंग वर्ब. Students had. Students, in past perfect tense we use had helping verb. In past perfect tense we use had helping verb with all subjects, singular and plural subjects. Students, look, we use had helping verb with singular and plural subject, with all subjects, singular as well as plural. We use had helping verb in past perfect tense. Okay students, main verb, verbs third form. Look students, as a main verb we use verbs third form. As a main verb in past perfect tense we use verbs third form. Okay, we called verbs third form past participle also. verbs की थर्ड फॉर्म को past participle भी बोलते हैं. Okay, we called verbs third form past participle also. Okay, so now how we make sentences. Okay, first of all, affirmative sentences. So look students, how we make affirmative sentence. So look the pattern students. Subject plus head helping verb plus verbs third form plus object plus dash full stop. Okay, subject, students, in affirmative sentences we follow this pattern: subject plus head helping verb plus verbs third form plus object, and after object whatever come after object we write here. Okay, it lasts full stop. Okay, so students, examples. Okay, he had gone to office. Look students, he had gone to office. He is a subject, had is a helping verb, gone is a verb's third form, to office. Office is a object. It lasts full stop. Okay students, they had taken food. Look students, they had taken food. So they is a subject, had is a helping verb, taken is a verb's third form, food is a object. They had taken food. She had cooked food. She had cooked food. She is a subject. Had is a helping verb. Cooked is a verb's third form. Food is a object. She had cooked food. They had washed their clothes. Look students, they had washed their clothes. There is a subject, had is a helping verb, washed is a verb's third form, their clothes is the object. It lasts full stop. They had washed their clothes. So students, these are the examples of affirmative sentences. This type we make affirmative sentences. The pattern is this: subject plus had plus verb's third form plus object plus dash 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 attach. It lasts full stop. Dash dash means whatever comes after object we write here. Okay. So look the example students. He had gone to office. They had taken food. She had cooked food. They had washed their clothes. So students, now how we make negative sentences. Negative sentences. Look students, okay. First of all, pattern. Okay. Subject plus had helping verb plus not plus verb's third form plus object dash full stop. Okay. I had not seen this house before. Because students, I had not seen this house before. Students, I is a subject, had is a helping verb, not is used for negative sense, and seen is verb's third form. This house is a object. Before means used for पहले, before पहले के लिए यूज किया. Okay, I had not seen this house before. Another example students. They had not watched movie. They had not watched movie. There is a subject, had is a helping verb, not is used for negative sense, watched is a verb, third form, movie is a object. Okay, students, we had not gone to temple. Look students, we had not gone to temple. We is a subject, had is a helping verb, not is used for negative sense, gone is a verb's third form. To temple, temple is a object. Okay students, they had not played cricket. Look students, they had not played cricket. They is a subject, had is a helping verb, not is used for negative sense, played is a verb's third form, cricket is a object. Okay students, so these are the examples of negative sentences. Okay, so how we make negative sentences? Subject plus had plus not plus verb's third form plus object plus test at last full stop. Okay, in negative sentences we use not after the helping verb. We use not after the helping verb. Okay, in negative sentences. Students, helping verb we use had helping verb in past perfect tense with all subjects singular and plural subject. Main verb we use verb's third form as a main verb in past perfect tense. Okay students, so we will continue this tense in our next video. Okay.